These sweet little ghost cookies with bats, cats, and cobwebs are the ultimate Halloween treat. Hi, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified about my new uploads. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the cutest ghost cookies. You're going to need cookies and royal icing. I prepared cookies that are about 3 inches and also some mini cookies, and we're going to decorate with black and white royal icing. Let's start with the outlines first. We're going to wait about 2 to 3 minutes for the outline to crust, and then we can outline and flat the whole cookie with about 15-second consistency royal icing. If you are new to cookie decorating, check out my blog for all the recipes, and also I have a lot of recipes here on my YouTube channel, like royal icing recipe and cutout cookie recipe. You can also find plethora of cookie decorating tutorials here on YouTube, and also picture tutorials on my blog if you prefer pictures over video. If you'd like, you can also shade the cookies with some gray. If you don't want to make gray, you can just add a touch of black and then blend it in with a petal knife, and it's going to turn to gray. While the base is still wet, make the mouth and then let the icing crust for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then we can make the eyes. So I'm using 20-second consistency icing, filling the cavities here, and immediately we're going to make the reflection. We're going to add 3 dots. So I'm starting with a large dot, shaping it into a teardrop shape with just the tip of my scribe tool. And then we can add smaller dots below that large teardrop shape. I'm using tip of my scribe tool and picking a small amount of icing straight from the piping bag. And then placing it onto the black icing. We're going to wait for the icing to dry fully. This is going to take maybe 8 to 12 hours. And then we can add some color to the cheeks. I'm using pink petal dust and dry food only paintbrush. And we can remove the excess. And then let's do the eyes again. Let's have a closer look. So using 20-second consistency black icing, immediately pipe larger dot with white and then shape it with a scribe tool into a teardrop shape. If you're struggling picking up the icing straight from a piping bag, you can pipe a small amount of icing on the parchment and then dip the scribe tool into this icing and make the reflection that way. Make sure to let the icing dry fully before adding the petal dust. Now we can make those tiny little decorations. If you don't have this star shape, you can use a small round to make the cobweb. You can use 15 to 20-second consistency icing here. We're going to run tip of the scribe tool through the icing, starting in the very middle and moving it towards the edges, dragging the scribe tool through, creating this signature cobweb that's so popular around Halloween. Now let's make the black cat. Using black icing outline, you can use again 15 to 20-second consistency here. We're going to fill this with black, and then I'm going to use one of my favorite techniques, wet on wet decorating technique. We're going to make the eyes using this technique. What that means that the base layer is going to be still wet, and then I'm gonna add white icing. We're gonna shape it and make the eyes. So take white icing, about 15 to 20-second consistency, pipe 2 large dots, and then with the tip of the scribe tool, shape the dots. Make sure to clean the tip into a paper towel between each time, or after each time you run it through the icing. And now add 2 little dots for the eyes. Now let's finish with the bat. Outline and fill this cookie with black icing. When working with minis, 20-second consistency works really well because you don't have a large surface to work with, so the icing doesn't really it doesn't crust that fast. If you're working with a 3-inch cookie using 20-second consistency on a whole cookie, likelihood of icing crusting on you before you get to smooth the icing is quite high, so you can use 20-second consistency on these small cookies. Let these dry completely and then we can attach these onto the ghosts. Aren't these adorable? I love how this turned out. Use a little bit of icing on the back of the small cookie and attach it onto the ghost. You can use light shifting movement to make sure that the cookie is flush with the base. And that's how you can make these adorable, festive, and perfect for Halloween ghost cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.